Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have recently purchased a Lenovo laptop, registering it for warranty can help you verify coverage, access faster technical support and simplify future repair claims. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for account.lenovo.com. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you here on this particular page where you need to click on the option of register. Afterwards, you need to fill out this form by providing your email address, your first name, last name, then selecting your region, then press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So once your account is created successfully, when you log in into your account, you just have to simply provide your Lenovo laptop's details, including the serial number, the model number, purchase date, and retailer and the seller's information. You need to also upload the proof of purchase. Afterwards, simply review your details and submit the registration forms. Once successful, your laptop will be linked to your Lenovo support account, and after registration, you can check the warranty coverage, submit repair requests, and even upgrade warranty plans. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.